Hi friends, welcome to my channel Moms and Kids. If you are new to my channel, please press the subscribe button and bell icon for notification. Recipe is ragi dosa. Also, ragi is also called as pearl millet in English. So, ragi is also one of the superfood. Important part of this recipe is this can be prepared instantly. So, it is an instant dosa recipe. No grinding or soaking required at all. I have also shared the benefits of ragi at the end of my video. Please do watch it. So now let's see what ingredients are required to prepare this dosa. So first we require 1 cup of ragi flour and 1 cup of wheat flour and 2 tablespoons of corn flour, half a cup of rava. So the normal rava, then finely chopped coriander, finely chopped green chilies according to your taste, salt as per your taste, half an inch piece of ginger. We are going to peel the skin and grate the ginger and add it to the batter. So this is a very easy recipe. In case you don't have any dinner or breakfast recipes at all, this recipe comes in handy. It's very easy to prepare. So now we are going to add all the ingredients into a mixing bowl and we are going to pour water and mix the batter really watery. So this should be like your rava dosa batter consistency. So you have to pour that much water and mix nicely using your hands so that there are no lumps formed at all. Make sure the batter is of watery or runny consistency. And why we are adding corn flour is, this is just a small tip as well. Whenever you're preparing any instant dosa, corn flour adds crispiness to your dosa. So make sure you add 2 tablespoons of corn flour as well when you're preparing this batter. So you have to mix nicely using your hands and make sure it is water. So here, now I have added water and I have made the batter really into water consistency. So I have mixed the batter into watery consistency. So you can make out how watery it is. So now after we have mixed the batter with water, we are going to add 2 tablespoons of oil to the batter and again we are going to mix it well. Why we are adding 2 tablespoons of oil is, so when we are preparing the dosas, it does not stick to your tawa. That is, you can flip the dosa easily. So this 2 tablespoons of oil ensures that the dosa comes out easily or it is easy to flip your dosa. So add 2 tablespoons of oil and mix it well again. So I am going to add a little more of water and make it even more watery consistency. So once we are done with the mixing part, we are going to keep the batter aside for 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, you can use the batter to prepare the dosas. So make sure you rest the batter for 30 minutes. So here now the 30 minutes is over and now I am going to use the batter and prepare the dosas. So I have already heated my dosa tawa there. So yeah, this dosa we are going to pour it in the rava dosa fashion. Like from outside to inside we are going to pour the batter. So I will also show you that how to prepare this dosa. So it is similar to your rava dosa only. The way you prepare rava dosa, in same way you need to prepare this ragi dosa as well. That is outside to inside. So I'm sure your kids will not be eating this ragi flour and all that. This ragi flour, I'm sure it's very difficult to feed the kids. So in this way, I'm sure all kids will be loving dosas. So in this way, you can easily feed ragi flour in the format they love. So you will also be very happy and the kids will also be happy to eat it as it is dosa. So here now just drizzle some oil around the dosa and close the lid and let it cook for a minute or 2 minutes and close the lid. Make sure you are preparing the dosa on medium flame itself. So let it cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Yes, so now the dosa is cooked on one side. Now I am going to flip the dosa and cook it for a minute again. So you can make out the dosa has come out really crispy and it is also going to be very tasty. I serve this dosa as chocolate dosa to my son and he loves to eat this chocolate dosa. So here I have shared the benefits of ragi. Please have a look. So thanks for watching my video, and if you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.